The living room is where everyone gathers to spend quality time together. In a vacation rental, creating social spaces is crucial, and the best place to start is seating. I like to create spaces that encourage people to come together and enjoy each other's company. Most importantly, choose comfortable and durable furniture that fits your aesthetic. Also think about placement to make it easy for your guests to get the most out of the space.
We were trying to solve a problem. It's an interesting shaped room, and we knew we wanted this to be a social space. So we had to kind of have furniture that was going to create a little bit of a circle, right?
Yeah.
Curves are cool.
Sometimes it's just as important to create a space where guests can relax on their own. Some of our homeowners have done this by placing a comfortable chair in front of a window with a great view or in front of a warm fireplace, making people want to curl up and read a good book.
We want you to feel comfortable, really. We want you to come in and be like, this is the coolest space ever, but let me just sit and look at that view. You know, I just want to just breathe and just sit.
Another way people can elevate the living room is by making their own furniture. I've seen some very innovative homeowners who have built or repurposed pieces with beautiful results. Handmade furniture personalizes a space. It feels unique and one of a kind.
I feel like the more that there is handmade, the more that there is for people to look at and take in. It's going to feel cozy and warm and inviting, and people are going to see that you can have handmade items, maybe spend a little bit more, but really get more out of it in your space.
It's truly impressive when hosts put the extra effort into creatively planning their living spaces to ensure a cozy stay for their guests.